Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allybug here. We're in Mandeville, Louisiana, right off the Lake Pontchartrain, and they have a Grace Gardens here for the community. And the first thing that caught my eye was look at the size of that watermelon. Absolutely. And here's another one. Look at the size of that watermelon. Some pretty tomatoes. They really look good. Some beautiful tomatoes. And they have rhubarb, lettuce, bell peppers. Some nice looking bell peppers. Man, look at that. Look at those bell peppers. They got it beautiful. All right, now we're getting in here with cantaloupes.
Because I tell you, they have a lot of good stuff.
Yeah, they do. This is beautiful.
They have a lot of cantaloupe growing, and it's hard to see them in the greenery.
I don't even know what this is.
But there's one of them right there.
No.
And looking on up, there's watermelons there. Ooh, look at the eggplants. It's a beautiful little garden.
We live in St. Helena Parish. It's
Uh,
about an hour and a half from here.
They got more tomatoes, herbs.
Yeah, we do organic and regenerative.
This is really nice. This is the little garden for people that need it, and they call it the Samaritan Center, the Good Grace Gardens. And if you're in this area, visit it. It's a nice place to see.